A very good afternoon, everyone. And myself, Priya, is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis, which is given on 13th August 2020 in Hindu newspaper. In this newspaper, we are going to discuss about the editorial session which is present in this newspaper. So there are two articles in this editorial session. The first one is Running Mate Matters, and the second one is Mayhem in Minsk. Mayhem in Minsk. Okay. So firstly, we are going to discuss the Running Mate Matters article. I'm going to briefly analyze you this passage. So and also I'm going to give you the meanings and examples of all the words which are complicated to understand. Running Mate Matters. What does this heading mean? So it's nothing but running mate is a person who is running together with another person in a joint ticket in the election. Okay, so if suppose two persons are there, so one person is moving with another person in a joint ticket in the election. So we don't call president and vice president as running mates because they both are not elected by the same ticket. Okay, they have separate elections and everything is separate for them. If the democratic leaders on the ticket learn from each other, they can find a way to win. If the democratic leaders on the ticket learn from each other, so if the democratic leaders from the ticket learn from each other, they can find a way to win. So they can understand each other, so that they can compete more and they can find some ways to win. Presumptive. US Democratic nominee and former Vice President Joe Biden has picked Kamala Harris, Senator from California of Indian descent, as his vice presidential running mate, a fillip to his party's connect with African Americans, the Indian American community, women, and its core base of mainstream liberals. Presumptive. What is the meaning of presumptive? What does presumptive mean? Speculative, tentative, presumed in absence of information. For example, she showed presumptive signs of typhoid. Okay, so presumptive. So tentative is nothing but temporary. Presumptive US Democratic nominee. Every one of you, what is nominee? And who is the former Vice President of America? Joe Biden. So what he has done is he had kept one citizen from America and other citizen also is from America, but he's Indian, but he's an Indian. So he kept these two under the running mates of the next elections. Okay. Miss Harris, her late mother, and cancer researcher Shamala Gopalan. So I forgot to say you one thing. Vice presidential running mate. What does meant by Philip in this? Simulation, boost, encouragement. For example, the news gave the stock market of a big fillip. And the next one is Miss Harris, her late mother, and cancer researcher Shamala Gopalan hailed from a Chennai-based family and Jamaican father Donald Harris, a retired Stanford professor, made a name for herself as a tough lawyer, politically ambitious enough to throw her hat in the ring as a Biden challenger in the Democratic primaries. So Miss Harris, her late mother, okay, and she's the cancer researcher Shamlan Gopalan, hailed. Hailed is nothing but beat, shower, pour, rain, call someone in order to attract their attention. For example, shall we hail a taxi? It's a question mark. Shall we hail a taxi? And the next one is hail from Chennai based family. She's a Tamilian. Okay. Politically ambitious enough. Ambitious means to have a desire or determined, forceful, aspiring. For example, she was an ambitious young lawyer. Okay. Enough to throw her hat in the ring as a Biden challenger in the Democratic primaries. In a close parallel to former president, who is a former, Joe Biden is former vice president, and who is the former president? Barack Obama. So we all Indians are fans of Barack Obama. All right. Why? Because like Trump is also good, but due to his not allowing some problems in H1B visas, anything else maybe. So most of us like Barack Obama. And the next one is a close parallel to former President Barack Obama picking his Democratic primaries rival Hillary Clinton for Secretary of State. Mr. Biden chose Mr. Harris from amidst a cohort of strong candidates including former NSA Susan Rice and Senator from Massachusetts Elizabeth Warren. Okay, cohort. What is my cohort? It's a noun. Group of people who share a characteristic. For example, the mayor and his cohorts have abused their positions of power. Okay, including NSA Susan and the next one is Senator from Massachusetts Elizabeth Warren. In picking Mr. Harris, Mr. Biden has consolidated his position at the helm of the Democratic Party mainstream, ensuring a convergence of views with his vice presidential nominee on race relations, policing and criminal justice reform, immigration, the healthcare insurance industry and education policy. Okay, Biden in picking Mr. Harris. So Biden chose Harris. In picking Mr. Harris, Biden has consolidated his position at the helm. Consolidated his position. What does mean by consolidating? To unite or merge or to combine. For example, the two firms consolidated to form a single company. Consolidated his position at the helm. Helm is nothing but wheel for steering a ship or a boat. So in this language, what we call it is official controlling on an organization. Okay, for example, when Steve was at helm, we were certain of success. Okay, of the Democratic mainstream, ensuring a convergence of views with his vice president nominee on race relations and other ones. Convergence. What is by convergence? Act of converging. Condive. So con indicates combine or unite together. Okay, gathering. So what? Diverging, segregating, to move. Act of converging towards union or uniformity, or else we can say meet at a point. For example, the three rivers converge at this point. Okay. And the next one is the timing of her selection could not be better as an outspoken leader on racism and a woman of color. The symbolism of Mr. Biden picking her will offer hopes to many, including Black Lives Matter activities. So who is she? Jamaican. I said you right. So she's black. Okay. So why? Yes, even sometimes like I get a question in my mind. Blacks are also humans. Whites are also humans. Just there must not be segregation based upon the color. So what this Biden did is he chose one Indian and both live in America. One Indian and other one is black. So okay, Miss Harris. Okay, he chose this fellow only for this reason. So the symbolism. What about the symbolism? Use of symbols to represent the ideas or equality. For example, the story was filled with religious symbolism. So why this one is, so generally if Biden won the elections, so he kept two run mates. So if activities of Black Lives Matter, they can support Biden and the Indians also support Biden. So there will be majority of votings for him. So we can't say until the November elections complete, we can't say who will win or who will lose. Ms. Harris will not only bring to the Biden ticket her broad appeal across the Democratic spectrum, but at the 55 will help tip the overall age profile of a potential future Democratic White House in the right direction. Ms. Harris, if she wins, she don't only bring a ticket to Biden, but she will give the right decisions to the White House. and she'll keep there will be in every point of view there will be right decisions taken by the White House. Next one is, however, if a 2020 presidential campaign was indicative, she will need to up her game on critical thinking points, including her record as a prosecutor in her home state and on specifics regarding the complex question of healthcare reform. So, if a 2020 presidential campaign is very indicative, what she will do? She will need up to grow her game on critical thinking points, including healthcare reform, and a prosecutor in her home state. Prosecutor is nothing but one who persecutes someone or treats harshly. For example, the country's native people rose up against their prosecutors. Okay, and the next one is, more broadly, she and Mr. Biden will have to be prepared for an unusual campaign endgame scenario with less than 3 months before election day and the COVID-19 pandemic slashing a swath of economic misery. What is they doing? More broadly, she in a broad view, what they're thinking, they should do an unusual campaign before the elections and the COVID-19 pandemic slashing a swath. Slashing is nothing but devastating, ferocious, or vigorously incisive. For example, she tried to commit suicide by slashing her wrists. For example, and the next one is swath, a broad strip or area of something enveloped. For example, the mountain was swathed by clouds. Will they be able to go beyond the standard Democratic campaign playbook and adroitly craft a fresh approach to take on a politically weakened President Trump, who will nevertheless likely come out guns blazing? Adroitly. What is meant by adroitly? Adroitly is nothing but in a clever or skillful way. She adroitly avoided the question. Next one is, have they pondered the deep lessons of Miss Clinton's? Clinton is Hillary Clinton's loss to Mr. Trump in 2016 and come up with robust ideas, strong ideas to alleviate the economic pain of working class Americans perceived to be the result of policies supporting globalization and immigration. Ponder, to think about carefully. I ponder about my exams I ponder about my exams. Okay, what does it mean? I think about my exams very carefully. So think about carefully, consider, review, or contemplate. For example, she sat back for a minute to ponder her next move in the game. Next one is, so we'll move on to the next sentence. Will she be able to go toe to toe with incumbent Vice President Mike Pence and yet avoid alienating independent, undecided voters? If the two Democratic leaders on the ticket learn from each other, there is a chance that they might arrive at a winning formula. Incumbent, binding, obligatory, or mandatory, or necessary. The president incumbent is due to retire next month. Incumbent is nothing but, you heard it enough. So I'll repeat it again. The president incumbent is due to retire next month. Okay, what does this article say about? The tone of the article is totally informative, and what you learn, it's about this is giving how will they reach to the winning point and all those. This is totally about the elections in America. I thank every one of you for watching this video.